Hey y'all, I'm back at it again with another wash day. So in this wash day, y'all, I'm washing this. It's not a sew-in. It's like I treated the feather crochet like track hair. So I have 4 lines of track hair, and so I'll put up in this tutorial just like a little snippet of what it looked like to treat the feather crochet as track hair. But yeah, y'all, so I have a little hack. I be going in with like neutralizing shampoo sometimes to cleanse my scalp like really, really good, even though we all know that neutralizing shampoo is like to neutralize and get like all the relax out your hair, but it is a cleansing product. So clarifying is gonna make sure it gets all of everything up off your scalp and off your hair. So I like to go in and with a neutralizing shampoo like a clarifier, and then I'm gonna go behind it with Fructis, y'all. And so I've had this in the shower. So if y'all see water come out, because it be in my shower. With the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, so my hair doesn't feel extra dry. And yeah, y'all, that's it. So I wanted to do this wash day because I wanted to let y'all see how you can wash your tracks, you know what I mean? Your so-called tracks, and get back to your hairstyle as normal. And yeah, you don't want no dirty hair, you know what I mean? So we got to make sure we keep it clean, nice and clean, and nice and healthy. All right, so let's get into it. All right. JIB.
Boss made it, so you know it's dope.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back from washing my hair, and now I just want to show y'all what I'm going to do as far as the the blow drying process. And with my weaves, I kind of like to let them air dry some first, so it doesn't take like forever, you know what I'm saying? And especially like when you got color treated hair, you definitely want to make sure that you are not doing like drying it while it's super wet, because that's how you get breakage. But yeah, so just going in with some of this leave-in conditioner. And going all through. And the blend is crazy. Like, y'all see my hair and the fake hair? Like, come on. Talk about texture match, okay? Yes. Okay, let me turn around so I can see from the back. And I got a lot of new growth, y'all. So I'm gonna keep this in for like 2 more weeks. And then I'm gonna take it out. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like, I'm gonna reinstall. Like, I have fell in love with this hair. I fell in love with the way this install, you know what I mean? It's just so good. And so I'm gonna do it again. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the serum. And I'm gonna brush all of this through. I'm gonna brush it all through and everything. And then I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. And then I'm gonna go back in with the blow dryer and smooth everything out. And then I'm gonna be ready to go, y'all. Ready to style however, you know, I get ready. However I want to. But yeah, the new growth, yo, is off the chain with this install, because you really don't, it's low maintenance. And when I say low maintenance, like low maintenance, like y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but look at the new growth. Y'all see that? Like, that middle point is where I cross my braids, so that's why I look like that. So when you watch the tutorial on how to do this or whatever, but look, y'all, oh my gosh. low maintenance for real, for real. But yeah, I'm just going in with my unbrush and just working my way from the tips to the roots. And you guys, when y'all detangling y'all hair, make sure that's how y'all do it, okay? Because if you start from the roots, going all the way down to the bottom, to the tips, it's gonna be a some breakage happening. So you want to make sure that you are gentle and you taking your time and you working your way. And you going in from roots. I mean, you going in from tips to the roots. Yep, and that's that on that. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me do this split. I was gonna, matter of fact, but it's so simple and easy to tangle. Look at that. And then the blend with my hair and the weave, like, look at that, like. And when your wash routine, when your wash routine is with good products and it's simple, you know what I mean? And I know some people might not like the products that I use, but guess what? I use what I've been using for years, what works for me. You can use what works for you in your house, you know what I'm saying? And you do what is best for your budget as well, you know? And you just have to go from there. You have to go from there. But I don't care about how much money you spend if you don't know how to use the products, if you don't know how to properly wash your hair, if you don't know about having, you know, a good hair routine. You can have all the best products in the world, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't know nothing about washing your hair correctly and stuff like that, then you know you're not going to get good results. So knowing how to properly wash your hair and care for your hair is key. And to me, you know what I'm saying, it of course it matters, you know what I'm saying, like the better products do cost more or whatever, but there are some good affordable products, man, that will cleanse your hair, moisturize it, and have you prepared to style in any style that you want to style your hair, you know what I mean, for within your price range. So I don't want you guys to think that, you know what I'm saying, be scared to use what you can afford. Don't be scared to use what you can afford. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if this is what you can afford right now, then use it. Read the directions, follow the directions, and then use what you can afford. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of your family. And then go out here looking good. Do not be ashamed to use what you can afford. You know what I mean? And as you grow, then you will, you know what I'm saying, your product range will grow. You know, you can try different things and use what you can afford. You know what I mean? And use it to the best of your ability. Growing up, you know what I'm saying, we can afford certain things or whatever, and we used it. You know what I'm saying? So if we had to, you know, use certain brands or whatever for certain things or whatever, you know, we used it to the best of our ability. We made it work. And it worked really well. And we were proud of what we had. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying all that to say, use what you can afford and be proud of it. And tell God, thank you. Thank you that I can afford this. Thank you that I have what I need to do what needs to be done. And that's that. You know what I mean? And as as God provides, then, you know, he will give you the green light to get other things. But until then, tell God thank you and use what you can afford and be proud of it. Okay? Be proud of it. In Jesus' name. Okay? But yeah, y'all. So I'm going in and I'm just, as you can see, because I started from my ends and then I worked my way up and I'm just combing through. And then I'm going to turn around so y'all can see what it look like from behind. And then that's that. And so I'm going to just let her air dry. And then I'm going to go in and then I'm just going to smooth everything out with the blow dryer and stuff. And then I'm going to be ready to style her up for like another 2 weeks. And then I'm going to go in and reinstall because why not? Why not? But I was trying to call my child in here so y'all can see. But yeah, that's what we're looking like. The blend is crazy. The blend is crazy. The blend is crazy. But yeah. So, thank y'all so much for watching. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next short, okay? So, matter of fact, I'm going to show y'all some of the styles that I'm going to show you how I style this because as y'all, well, y'all don't know, but gotta get, I just wanted to wash my hair for church in the morning or whatever, so my hair could be fresh and stuff and cleansed and everything. So I will put in the style that I choose to do in the morning so y'all can see how everything turned out. And I will show y'all a little bit of the blow drying process and what my hair looked like, you know, once it finished air drying and stuff. All right.
JIB.
Boss made it, so you know it's dope.
Where's the old at? Where's the old at?
Oh my gosh, you know this one, I'm recording, right?
Okay, but you don't have a voice over.
No, I ain't. You let them know what I
We're
did.
watching the video first too.